Lori Jenkins, the mother of killer Nico Jenkins, found out if she's responsible for covering up her son's crimes. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski joins us live with those details. Jake?
Jen, Lori Jenkins was found guilty on 2 of the 3 counts of accessory to murder. She refused a plea deal before the trial, saying she didn't know that her children, she didn't know what they had done before they were arrested.
Judge Peter Battalion says there's no doubt that Lori Jenkins helped get rid of evidence after the Spring Lake Park murders. She's convicted of getting rid of Christine Bordeaux's clothing and wallets of the victims, Jorge Ruiz and Juan Pena. She's also responsible for lying to investigators about buying ammunition that was ultimately used in Nico's killing spree.
We had statements that she gave to the police that were video recorded, and then when she testified in trial, that was much different than what she had told the police in some regards. So I think, yeah, her statement changed depending on where she was at.
It wasn't unexpected. The evidence as it went in was not favorable to my client, obviously. There are clearly questions as to what actually transpired, but I was not surprised, no.
Jenkins wouldn't plead guilty to 1 accessory count to have the other 2 dismissed, saying if you're not guilty, don't take the plea. After the verdict, she had some choice words.
No evidence, injustice, completely malicious prosecution.
Jenkins was also accused of giving a gas can to Warren Levering after the Andrea Kruger murder so they could burn her SUV. The judge found her not guilty on that count because she didn't know what the gas can was being used for. She was told Nico and the other relatives were out of gas.
It was a tough case for the state, and they did a good job on convicting her, obviously, on 2 of the 3 counts. And we'll have to live with the verdict and see what we do down the line.
Jenkins is already serving a 10-year federal prison sentence for purchasing ammunition, though she's a convicted felon. She now faces 1 to 25 years for the accessory convictions. Reporting live in the News Center, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.